1. Prevents Alzheimer's disease. A study published in the Journal of the American Medical Association in 2016 stated that eating fish regularly improves the gray matter of the human brain, which prevents the rapid deterioration of brain cells and the deterioration of brain function during aging, thus preventing Alzheimer's disease. 2. Reduces the risk of heart disease. According to the study published in the American Journal of Cardiology, eating fish regularly can reduce the risk of heart disease to a large extent, as the omega-3 fatty acids present in fish can keep your heart healthy by lowering triglycerides and reducing blood clotting and lowering blood pressure. 3. Treats depression. Consuming fish on a regular basis can help improve serotonin levels in the brain, which can treat and reduce symptoms related to depression. Similarly, the presence of omega-3 fatty acids also corresponds to this advantage. 4. Promotes eye health. Omega-3 fatty acids in fish are known to improve eye health by nourishing the muscles and nerves in the eyes. Regular consumption of fish can help improve vision and prevent related problems. 5. Treats arthritis. As mentioned before, fish is rich in omega-3 fatty acids that help your body in various ways. They play an important role in reducing arthritis symptoms. The presence of vitamin E in fish also contributes to this health benefit.